Thomas Smith here, looking at the Go Pack Tylenol pack for travel. So I got these because they're really convenient if you're going to be traveling and you want to take some Tylenol along. And basically there's 3 little packs in here. They're almost like little foil packs that you could pretty easily put in a bag you're going to carry along, or something to take on the plane if you need it. And each of them has 2 Tylenols in there, and you can see the info on that as on the back, so all the stuff you need to know about it. But these little packs in here are super convenient. You can throw them in a purse. It's not just for travel. Take them around on a day-to-day basis. Put one in the glove box in your car. Just always have that convenient if you find that you need it. And again, that convenience factor of having the 2 pills in each of these. You get 3 little packs, super easy to carry around. You just tear it open, and you're good to go with those Tylenol packs. So for your upcoming trip, if you've got one coming up, check this out. It's really a travel size type of item, or just to have around on a day-to-day basis.